everyone. Today lecture is on solid and hazardous waste management. In that specifically, today I am going to deal on solid waste collection and transportation. In order to reduce the effect of solid waste, the collection, transportation, processing and disposal is essential. And also, if we mitigate the solid waste generation, that would result in the improvement in the public health as well as it improve the aesthetics of the environment. According to Solid Waste Management Rules 2016, in the clause 16, the local authorities have the duties and responsibilities to collect the solid waste door to door and also provide and also facilitate the material recovery or provide the secondary storage facility and also ensure the safe transfer and disposal of domestic hazardous waste. And in the solid waste management rules, they categorize the waste into three different ways. The first one is the wet waste, and then dry waste and domestic hazardous waste. Wet waste is nothing but the organic waste or the biodegradable waste from the vegetable waste or the food types, food waste of all types, fruit waste, flowers, and fish and meat, or all other organic types of waste comes under the wet waste category. Then the next one is the dry waste. This includes the non-biodegradable as well as the biodegradable substances, includes paper, metal, glasses, ceramic materials, and unused cloths, wood, like this, and also the non-recyclable combustible materials as well as the non-recyclable inert materials, construction and demolition waste or comes under the dry waste category. And the third one is the domestic hazardous waste. The term hazardous waste itself having the characteristics of any of the following things, that is, the waste may be ignitability or corrosivity, reactivity and the toxicity. Then the waste can be called as hazardous. And the domestic hazardous waste, these are the some types of domestic hazardous waste that are from the household. The first one is the printer cartridges, some electronic parts and the equipments, then batteries from flashlights or the mobile phones or the any electronic devices, then the drain cleaning agents, bleachers are used in the household, car batteries and the car care products, chemical and solvents and their empty containers, insecticides, pesticides, herbicides and their empty containers, and the light bulbs, tube lights, CFLs, paints, oil, lubricants, glues, thinners and their empty containers, and the photographic chemicals, thermometers and other mercury containing products, and the discarded medicines, needles and syringes are all comes under the category of household domestic waste, household hazardous waste, and these waste need to be collected separately and then processed, treated according to the hazardous waste management rules. And these are the bins that are used for the collection of wet, dry and domestic hazardous waste, and the color provided for the collection of the wet waste is green, whereas the dry waste collection, the bin color is white. For the domestic hazardous waste, there is no specific color is given. This was the black, red or any other color is given by the local authority. There is no specific color. Only the wet waste green and dry waste white color alone is given. And usually these wastes are collected through a four-wheeler which consists of the beams that are made of high density polyethylene, and injection or auto molder with international standard, and the bins were UV tested with the different capacities ranging from 240 liter to 1100 liter, depends upon the capacity of the waste from small to bulk. It was used based on the different capacities that are used, and also these equipment is compatible with compactors, or it is attached with a different vehicle based on the source and the collection. We utilized or used this in an advanced manner. Then the waste is again collected either in the primary collection or secondary collection. The main difference is here the waste is collected from the source of its generation itself. Here it is collected from any of the primary collection point, then it is moved to transfer or the storage station, and for further transportation or processing or directly to the disposal site. First, the primary collection. In the primary collection, waste, the processing of collecting, lifting and removal of the segregated solid waste from any of the source of its generation, either from residential or institutional or commercial building. Then it is moved to the storage depot or a transfer station or directly to the disposal site. This is mainly based on the composition of the waste, composition as well as the segregation